Hi, it's Jaydn. I'm a certified lash tech and I'm going to show you how I do my classic lash sets. So as you can see, I'm placing the hydrogel eye pads under her eyes. I always make sure to put them under the lower lashes so I don't have to worry about them coming up and causing any irritation to their eyes. So right here, I'm just showing you all I like to use glue rings, and I use 12, 14, 16, 13 throughout this lash set for an open eye look. Before I begin lashing, I clean them with prolonged lash shampoo and I rinse them with water and make sure to fan them really good. So as you can see, I'm isolating very dramatically throughout this lash video because I really want you to see what isolation looks like. Usually as a beginner, your glue is slow drying, so I would make sure to know that time so you know how long to leave that isolation open in your tweezers. If you notice your lash extensions are sticking together throughout your lash set, it is probably because you are not giving your lashes enough time to dry on the natural lashes. So I want you to pay close attention right here. When I place the lash, it doesn't go on perfectly straight, so I use the side of my tweezer to correct the direction of my lash. This is how you get those straight classic lash sets. One of the perks of using a slower drying lash glue is being able to correct the direction of your lashes before it sets. So this is perfect for a beginner. Remember, you can always place classic lashes on the top, on the side, or underneath. I usually go in between all three of these techniques. As always, make sure to go through and brush those lashes throughout the entire process. This will lead to less stickies. One eye done, another one to go. A great tip I got from another lash artist is when you are placing your lashes, put a little pressure down when you are placing them. It leads to better retention. I know you're probably wondering, how are you going to get this lash set even and you don't even have a lash mat written on the iPad? Well, another trick. So what I do is I take my 12s and I put them at the beginning at the cutoff line of where I'm going to end my 12s. Then I do the same thing with the 14s, same thing with the 16s and 13s and so on. So that's how I know in this space I'm going to do 12s, in this space I'm going to do 14s and so on. So basically, I'm literally lash mapping with lashes, which saves me time. As this video is wrapping up, I hope you learned a lot from my tips and tricks and it helps you create flawless classic lash sets. I'm obsessed with this classic lash set. If you use my tips and tricks from this video, please tag me in your lash sets.